Yeah, guys, because I'm limited with time.
Él dice que está.
Ok,
So,
dale.
quick.
Con la clienta y toda esa vaina y ya.
All right. Okay. I don't know how you want me to. No, but you guys go chat over there. Yes. So here we are at Angela's preschool, and then paint them in order to kind of give the sense of all the continuity. Oh Lord, this is horrible. Oh man. Oh man, this is horrible. Oh my God. Well, one of the elements, repito lo sigo. Okay. One of the elements that we tried to incorporate was the how to utilize the natural light into the space. Espérame.
No, sí.
This is hard, guys. Darwin is like,